This is for court case use only. Any little grooming little demon trying to harass me because we doing our grooming, and then you said magically got close with a stupid ass bike, you ran over here, you revved your engine. Every little monkey get their license plate. Get that ranger, get the ambulance, get that fireman. You don't want a surprise party? Give me what's mine already. There's a ranger on camera coming over here to make sure you can't get no privacy. He even about it. He's even a beauty spell ranger before he's actually a ranger. This guy doesn't want us to brush our teeth and come out here. That's all this fool is. And they got petty, exactly what I said. You think I'm making it up? No, he's literally coming over here for one hair, use a lot of gas that we pay for, all money, most definitely. Like they're money laundering about whatnot. That's the real money launder, the real ambulance and all that jazz. They're holding on to money that they stole and using it to harass. Before your ass is really working, get the fuck out of my face. This for court case you so much, your fake beat. On their best behavior when you pit record. Shut up with that one too. And believe it, this ain't even what you record. So if you want to get anybody pretend to be normal, hit record. Yeah, right. That's not how they are when off record. These people with an orange dot in the top right of the corner the whole time, knowing I press record, then pretending to be normal. And then if I swear to Blob, it'll be about 3 minutes of the only normal we got the last time until we hit record again. That's all these are. But they more than caught with a stupid rental car trying to hit somebody, attempt to murder every freaking 2 seconds. There's one right there. Get all these license plates, all these little goof troops right there. That won't tell on everybody anyways. It's gonna tell on the next one, and they ain't that tight like that. It'd be dominoes when they all tell on each other. Yeah, I'll hit record. I don't have to be trying to sneak anything. I'm so public, you think you're gonna do a crime and you just get caught. That's my thing. We don't lie. So you guys gotta lie. For court case use only. You're not gonna just make up some dumb shit. Every little time we did anything that had to do with grooming and whatnot, he said spend all our money, $45 an hour with a lawyer to try to harass people with my own money to come at me every time I do anything that makes sense. Straight up flew at me to try to pull out a hair out of the face or whatever. A whole ranger. Try to get in a fight with me out of the courthouse at the same time, so the groom police is coming from the courthouse, so we don't have to actually go at everything. It's literally their inside job bullcrap. He just tried to total himself. And that's why we was going at the police 187 the whole time, because he tried to tell on himself. That's all it is. Just get closer and closer. It's more like it. Ku Klux Klan office. Duh. About to get unmasked. I'm just innocently waiting for the light. It's not all that innocent. which is worse. It's just ear hustling. Gets worse. Gets worse when you just actually try to pretend like it didn't just do that. Like a boss, you know? This is the nicest they actually even was for 5 minutes. Alright? No, nothing like that when you don't hit record. Not even close to that. And then they would say I had uploaded a normal video. Because they're the devil. My ass. They are screen share recording. They even monitoring everything I'm looking at. They sending out to some other motherfucker. So that's what that shit is. These bitches wishes they could have AI come out and make some little fake shit. So no, they're not supposed to be spying on my shit with a stupid ass yellow dot. They all wear yoga pants trying to fucking make us get into their coats and shit. Then they fucking steal your millions. Then they go back to jeans and shit. They start pulling out baby shoulders to block our paths and shit. Cause they wanted you to break your fucking neck. They want to kill your mom, dog, and cat sex traffic in your fucking house. That's really what that shit is. And I ain't telling no lies and shit. This is a record right there. Before you ever get near my shit lollygagging and fucking dumb shit like that. The lollygag so they can be staring at your wallet. Hopefully you fucking drop your wallet and shit. There's my wallet. That's what they're looking for. College graduate tech. Turns all their dumb F minuses into some shit and brings them back at you. Try to act like I don't know what I'm doing. Give me this lollygag. I'm trying to make sure everything's closed by the time I get done lollygagging on black. They know each other, the register and the lollygagger and shit. You're gonna use your money that they stole to go fucking lollygag and fucking spy on you and shit. And y'all, you'll never know about it. You don't know where to sue your ass about it. Y'all never know. Out here. Don't add up. The boy adds up. They right, a boy adds up. Anything near me was probably extra, trying to bring ruckus and chaos and shit. Yeah, beep at it. Try to harass shit. I mean, nothing near me normally. Nothing innocent normal. More like spying on my shit, kill my mom, dog, and cat. And probably about to like run from ICE. More like it. And if it was going to get like, it has to go to court because it's not even their baby. They just stole some money, tried to have a baby, and then they thought they could keep it. Then let's see, that's more like it. And thought I could like change my identity by not wearing yoga. I went to jeans. More like it. But once our shit to fly away in the wind. Just want your shit to fly away in the wind, I swear to God. They came up with all these badass ideas. Wait, let me take the good idea. Now, whatever that part is, hold on. Doesn't exactly say let me take the good idea. I might just have the good idea. Good idea. Oh, what? I was supposed to be a retard. I was gonna carry it all on my head and break my neck. And she's gonna have it on her baby belly, like she carries it all on her stomach, like it's pregnant and shit. You think it's funny? I'm actually suing for that